Imagine a hotel as a grand orchestra. Each department, like a section of instruments, plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious guest experience. Just as a conductor guides the musicians, effective internal communication orchestrates seamless hotel operations. From the moment a guest arrives to the time they depart, a symphony of coordinated efforts unfolds behind the scenes. Housekeeping ensures pristine rooms, while the culinary team tantalizes taste buds. Maintenance keeps everything running smoothly, and the front desk serves as the welcoming face of the hotel. Even the most talented individuals cannot deliver an exceptional performance without seamless communication. At the heart of every successful hotel lies an unwavering commitment to providing an exceptional guest experience. A seamless guest experience is the result of meticulous planning, well-defined processes, and flawless communication between departments. When departments operate in silos, information gets lost, and guests are left feeling frustrated. Consider a scenario where a guest requests an early check-in. The front desk must communicate this request to housekeeping to ensure the room is ready. When communication flows seamlessly, guests experience personalized attention, leaving them with positive memories that translate into loyalty and positive reviews. In the bustling world of a hotel, shift handovers are pivotal moments that can make or break the guest experience. Like runners in a relay race, hotel staff depend on a smooth exchange of information to ensure a seamless transition of responsibilities. A well-executed shift handover ensures that every team member is equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to provide personalized service. Effective shift handovers foster a culture of accountability, transparency, and shared responsibility among team members. A successful shift handover is a carefully choreographed process that demands structure, clarity, and attention to detail. At the heart of this process lies a comprehensive shift handover checklist, a document that serves as a roadmap for outgoing and incoming staff members. By adhering to a standardized checklist, hotels can minimize the risk of miscommunication, reduce errors, and ensure that all team members are on the same page. This structured approach fosters a sense of order and accountability, creating a more efficient and harmonious work environment. Technology has emerged as a powerful ally in streamlining shift handovers and enhancing communication within hotels. Modern hotel management systems offer features specifically designed to facilitate seamless shift transitions. These digital platforms provide centralized hubs for storing and sharing critical information, ensuring that all team members have access to the most up-to-date details. Many systems allow staff members to create and assign tasks electronically, complete with deadlines, priority levels, and detailed descriptions. By embracing these technological advancements, hotels can optimize their shift handover processes, improve communication efficiency, and enhance overall operational effectiveness. In the bustling ecosystem of a hotel, effective communication channels serve as the vital arteries that keep information flowing smoothly. Traditional communication channels such as face-to-face conversations, phone calls, and written memos continue to play a crucial role in hotel operations. These time-tested methods provide a direct and personal touch, fostering a sense of camaraderie and teamwork among staff members. However, in today's fast-paced world, hotels are increasingly embracing digital communication tools to complement traditional methods. These technological advancements offer benefits including instant message delivery, real-time updates, and centralized information storage. While technology has revolutionized communication in the hospitality industry, face-to-face interactions remain irreplaceable. Consider a scenario where a guest approaches the front desk with a complaint about their room. A face-to-face conversation allows the front desk agent to observe the guest's body language, gauge their emotional state, and respond with empathy. Regular team meetings and departmental gatherings provide invaluable opportunities for staff members to connect on a personal level, share ideas, and foster a sense of belonging. Face-to-face communication is crucial in handling sensitive situations, such as guest complaints or employee conflicts. In the dynamic world of hospitality, real-time communication is a necessity. Instant messaging platforms such as Slack and Microsoft Teams have become indispensable tools for hotel staff. These platforms facilitate quick questions, real-time updates, and group discussions, reducing the need for time-consuming phone calls or emails. This level of real-time communication fosters a more proactive and responsive work environment, enabling hotels to address guest needs promptly and maintain a seamless flow of operations. By embracing these technological advancements, hotels can enhance their agility, optimize communication workflows, and elevate the overall guest experience. In the realm of hospitality, real-time communication is the heartbeat of guest satisfaction. It connects departments, empowers staff, and ensures that guest needs are met with speed and efficiency. Imagine a guest arriving at a hotel after a long journey, only to find that their room is not yet ready. With real-time communication, the front desk can instantly connect with housekeeping to check on the room's status and provide the guest with an accurate estimated time of arrival. This level of transparency and responsiveness goes a long way in managing guest expectations and mitigating potential frustration. Real-time communication transforms the guest experience into a seamless journey, characterized by efficiency, personalization, and a genuine desire to exceed expectations. In the intricate choreography of hotel operations, real-time communication serves as the conductor, orchestrating a symphony of actions. Consider a guest requesting extra towels for their room. With real-time communication, the request can be instantly relayed to the nearest available housekeeper, who can then fulfill it promptly. This streamlined process eliminates unnecessary delays, reduces the risk of miscommunication, and ensures that guest requests are addressed with speed and efficiency. Real-time communication enables hotels to track the progress of guest requests from initiation to resolution, allowing managers to monitor service delivery and implement improvements. Real-time communication empowers staff members with the knowledge they need to deliver exceptional guest experiences. When employees have access to real-time updates, guest preferences, and operational insights, they are better equipped to anticipate needs, personalize interactions, and make informed decisions. Imagine a front desk agent checking in a repeat guest. With access to the guest's profile and past preferences, the agent can personalize the interaction by acknowledging their loyalty and offering a room upgrade. This level of personalization transforms a routine check-in into a memorable experience, demonstrating to the guest that their preferences are valued and remembered. Real-time communication provides staff members with a holistic view of hotel operations, enabling them to collaborate more effectively and make decisions that benefit both guests and the business. Real-time communication is a cultural shift that permeates every level of a hotel's operations. Building a culture of real-time responsiveness starts with clear communication from the top down. Leaders must emphasize the importance of swift and efficient communication, provide staff members with the necessary tools and training, and empower them to make decisions that prioritize guest satisfaction. Regular training sessions should focus on effective communication techniques, both digital and interpersonal, ensuring that all staff members understand the importance of clear, concise, and timely communication. By embedding real-time responsiveness into their DNA, hotels can create a service culture that sets them apart from the competition and fosters lasting guest loyalty. Section 1. Emergency maintenance, a test of real-time communication. In hospitality, emergencies test a hotel's efficiency and communication. From plumbing mishaps to power outages, swift action is crucial. Imagine a burst pipe flooding guest rooms. Chaos ensues as guests scramble. Real-time communication is the lifeline. The front desk alerts maintenance and security. They coordinate evacuation and safety efforts. Maintenance isolates the burst pipe. Housekeeping relocates guests and salvages belongings. Section 2. The calm after the storm post-incident communication. Once the immediate crisis has been contained, the focus shifts to post-incident communication, a critical aspect of emergency management that can significantly impact guest perception and future loyalty. How a hotel communicates with guests in the aftermath of an emergency can either restore their confidence or further erode their trust. Transparency, empathy, and a genuine desire to make amends are paramount in post-incident communication. The hotel management should issue a sincere apology to affected guests, acknowledging the inconvenience caused and outlining the steps being taken to rectify the situation. Depending on the severity of the incident, the hotel may offer compensation, such as complimentary room upgrades, meal vouchers, or discounts on future stays. However, it's important to remember that genuine empathy and a commitment to resolving the situation to the best of their ability often matter more to guests than material compensation. Furthermore, the hotel should use all available communication channels to keep guests informed about the progress of repairs, restoration efforts, and any ongoing investigations. Regular updates via email, text messages, and social media can help to manage expectations, address concerns, and demonstrate the hotel's commitment to transparency. In the digital age, technology has emerged as a lifeline in emergency situations, empowering hotels with the tools and capabilities to respond swiftly, coordinate effectively, and keep guests informed throughout the crisis. From mass notification systems to mobile communication apps, these technological advancements have revolutionized emergency management in the hospitality industry. Mass notification systems, such as those integrated into hotel management software or dedicated emergency alert platforms, enable hotels to send instant messages to all guests and staff members simultaneously. These messages can provide critical instructions such as evacuation routes, assembly points, or safety precautions, ensuring that everyone receives vital information in a timely manner. Mobile communication apps, widely used by hotel staff, offer a direct line of communication between departments and individuals. Features such as group messaging, location sharing, and file sharing facilitate real-time collaboration, enabling staff members to coordinate tasks, share updates, and request assistance efficiently. Moreover, hotels are increasingly utilizing social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook to monitor local events, disseminate information during emergencies, and address guest concerns in real time. These platforms provide a valuable channel for two-way communication, allowing hotels to respond to queries, correct misinformation, and maintain a sense of transparency. Section 4. Turning challenges into opportunities. Learning from every incident. While emergency maintenance situations are undoubtedly challenging, they also present valuable opportunities for hotels to learn, adapt, and enhance their emergency preparedness and communication protocols. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, hotels can transform these incidents into catalysts for positive change. Following any emergency, it's essential to conduct a thorough debriefing session involving all relevant departments. This session provides a forum for staff members to share their experiences, identify areas for improvement, and develop recommendations for enhancing emergency procedures. The debriefing session should focus on key aspects such as communication effectiveness, response times, staff performance, and guest feedback. Were communication channels clear and efficient? Were response times adequate? Did staff members follow established protocols? How did guests perceive the hotel's handling of the situation? By analyzing the incident from multiple perspectives, hotels can identify strengths to reinforce and weaknesses to address. This process of continuous improvement ensures that the hotel is better prepared to handle future emergencies, minimizing guest disruption and maintaining a reputation for safety, responsiveness, and resilience. Section 1. The Symphony of Service, Communication as the Maestro. In the grand symphony of hotel operations, communication is the maestro, orchestrating a harmonious blend of efforts from every department. From the initial welcome to the fond farewell, effective communication weaves a tapestry of seamless service and unforgettable experiences. When communication flows effortlessly, guests feel valued, understood, and cared for. Their needs are anticipated, and their concerns are addressed with empathy and professionalism. This level of service excellence is achieved through clear, concise, and timely communication. By embracing structured communication practices, hotels can transform potential pain points into strategic assets. Effective communication empowers hotels to deliver exceptional guest experiences. Mastering the art of communication is a fundamental requirement for success in hospitality. Investing in communication infrastructure and fostering a guest-centric culture earns loyalty and solidifies reputation.